Thank you for coming to my... Sorry, the driving around here is crazy. Thank you for coming to my channel. If you're a first time here, I hope you like it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I appreciate everybody who comes and just even views. So as you can tell by the title, I'm in Santo Domingo, Dominican Republic. And we are going to the Boca Chica beach for fun, relaxation, and of course, you know your girl gotta have drinks. So let's go. So this is the lobby. I'm waiting to come pick up my friend. This is the Sheraton Santo Domingo. It's so nice, huh? So I'm waiting for Didi to come downstairs. I met her literally out here in Santo Domingo, and she seemed like she a vibe. So how it happened was, obviously my sister y'all saw went and got her tummy tuck, and her best friend went and got her tummy tuck for the same doctor. But her friend ended up going somewhere else. But she's like, hey, I got a friend that's flying into town. She don't have nobody. Why don't y'all do something? So I'm like, you know what? Okay, because at first I was like, you know, no, because I have to monitor my sister and things like that. But guess what? I'm here and I'm waiting for her, and we about to have a good time. We're gonna go lay on the beach and relax. I've never been on the beach in a different. I've never been out the country. This is my first time, so I'm like super excited. Like I just can't wait to just go and have drinks and have food. It's gonna be nice. So my friend said she wanted, because my coworker's out here too. So she got like family out here. I guess her sister's like a high power like person out here. So oh my eyelashes messing up. But y'all tell me, comment down below and tell me some of the things y'all did in Santo Domingo. I heard like you gotta be careful because they will rob your ass. Excuse my language, I gotta stop cussing. They will rob you, steal from you right off. Like I'm not even supposed to have my phone out the way I am right now, but obviously I'm in an upscale place, so I'm really not worried about this place. Is beautiful. I never seen a Sheraton look so nice. Like this is beautiful. Santo Domingo is just a beautiful spot to come to. But girl, wait till y'all see my friend. She is a sexy, okay? I'm gonna let her do the steak walk for y'all, okay? Period. So I'm gonna get with y'all in a minute. I'm gonna show y'all a little bit. Let me see you walk, 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 walk. Alright guys, so we're gonna come and get something to eat.
What you want to get?
I want
seafood.
You want, that's what you want? You want some seafood? Alright, we'll get some seafood.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Damn, what is... Yeah. Oh my gosh, yes, girl. Yes, yes. Girl, right away, yes, bitch. You were in the water. You can jump in the water from right there at the sea. And they had to set feet like that. Bitch. Yes, bitch. Yeah. Yes, bitch.
cuándo quieres que vaya a visitarte para mencionarte una buena comida.
Okay, it's the baddie, it's the queen. Hey, boo. Period. All right, y'all. So obviously your girl using a filter right here. I like this filter bad. But this restaurant is bomb. Like, look at this shit. Y'all gonna have to come here and check this place out. Like, it's just so cool. Like, the water is so clear. Like, I just can't believe this freaking place. Like, I really just can't get over, like, people live like this every day. And coming from a small place like Springfield, Mass, you don't see shit like this every day. I'm really enjoying myself. I'm really happy I came out today. And I'm about to show y'all Boca Chica. So let's go. So I don't know if I showed y'all. I did. What restaurant? But y'all come to Boca Chica, y'all gonna have to check this place out. So I just ordered calamari with French fries because literally the menu, everything in this country is all in Spanish. I can't read or talk Spanish, so the menus and shit. Yeah, so girl, what you order?
I ordered shrimp and fries because me speak no Espanol. And I don't know what I'm ordering. So shrimp and fries, you can't go wrong with that. And heavy on the alcohol.
And I bet you they're gonna have the best shrimp and fries ever.
Yep, probably so. I hope so.
Me too. So we about to show y'all. This is live. If y'all haven't been here, make sure y'all come out here. This is so fire. This is such a vibe though.
It is.
I'm like enjoying myself so much.
This breeze is everything.
This is so beautiful.
I'm getting in that water. You gonna get in with me?
No, of course I am. I'm not diving all the way in though. It ain't hot enough to dry off. And you know my stupid ass ain't bring no towel. You know what would have been nice? Jet skiing.
Yeah, it's jet skis out here.
I think that's what she's talking about. I just can't get over. You know who I like to watch too that I think came out here? From DKG or DK4, Giera.
Oh, okay.
A YouTube vlogger, but she's like Mago now. Like super huge. I think she came and stayed out in Village that was on the water.
I'm gonna get some nice pictures out there.
Oh my gosh, girl. I'm about to get back out there. What drink is that?
Huh?
What drink is that?
It's just a daiquiri.
I got my blend water, like, she gave me line ass for lemon. It's okay.
Oh, it's good.
Yo, everything out here is good though. That's the gag of it all. Everything is good out here. I'm gonna drink my water. I'm diabetic, so I shouldn't be going off the wall. You sexy. even the way he put that bowl down is sexy. He's still.
Look at what I ordered. This shit don't even match. You know I. No. Oh. Thank you. Did you forget my aqua?
One more.
This is what I got, guys. I got calamari.
You didn't get her French fries.
Alright, y'all, so we're about to move on to the next part because we're full, so how was that meal, girl?
It was good. It was awesome for me not to know exactly what I ordered. It was awesome.
It looked good. Looks like you should have had some crackers or something with it. Rice, that's right. It looked like you should have had rice with it. Alright, y'all, let's go get in this water because, I mean, it's just so beautiful. So after we ate, it just turned into a full-on photo shoot. Yes, hunty. Hey, y'all. So you can see we arrived successfully to the beach. She want to ask me, so, but this is the video. But I had to get the ass. let me tell you something. I've never been in water like this before. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Look at how clear it is. It's free, but the beach is super packed, so. And it's super hot. We wanted to do jet ski, but the jet skis are closed today, so that's like not really. But look how beautiful it is. I gotta get some more photos. Ew. Oh. Oh my gosh, it's so hot, guys.
Go.
Girl, I wasn't discovering shit. This is some white girl shit, bro.
If you want to do other things, so I ain't got any problem.
This is my Dominican boo right here.
Okay, my name is Gibbs.
What's your name? Say your long name. This is going on my vlog, you know that, right?
Okay, no problem. I don't have any problem with that. Your name is Benny.
Bonnie.
So tomorrow I'm gonna try to go to Bali.
You're gonna go to Bonnie tomorrow?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You live in a beautiful place.
Yeah.
So it seems to me that you're coming to Boca Chica for the first time.
Yeah, I stay in Punta Cana.
That's where I am. Stay here where?
Where?
I already have a hotel in Santo Domingo.
And I live in
So
Punta Cana, so
So
I'm
you
on
can
there.
stay here in Boca Chica and move to Punta Cana tomorrow if you need that.
Yeah, because Boca Chica is right there.
You want to know the distance?
Yeah.
So it's gonna take you about 3 hours from Boca Chica to Punta Cana tomorrow. Yeah, 2 hours from here to Punta Cana.
Okay.
Sure about it?
It was so nice to meet. What's your name?
Pushon.
Huh?
Pushon.
Pushon.
Yeah.
We gotta
Pushon.
walk
That's
back by
cute.
ourselves. Okay.
I know. We're gonna walk back by ourselves, though.
Huh?
We're gonna walk back by ourselves.
Let me tell you something. I am not a native of English. Talk to me slowly to make me understand.
We're
what you're
gonna walk back slow. He understand. You understood what I said?
You're gonna make us females walk back by ourselves.
Huh?
Speak more.
Oh, y'all gotta go make some sales. That's right.
Yeah, they were at the store when we took them.
So beautiful girl like you.
Aww. Bae, you shouldn't have.
I'm working with Danny, so I'll be very happy to be with Danny. Am I right? Okay, you're very good at speaking Spanish, so I think that you're gonna teach me a lot of Spanish too.
I really know poquito, papi.
Okay.
Okay.
It looks like this.
Neither. Alright guys, so we've been out here for hours actually, and we're getting ready to wrap up.
With so many
Oh,
chairs
we're getting ready to wrap up this this vlog. I had so much fun. Like coming to out of state, out of country, it's just out of country is just so fun. I came with the right person right there. She was the right one to come with, so I'm so happy. I'm so very, very happy.
In your belly.
Yeah, that's it.
That's when you're very good.
So look at.
She gonna turn this.
Oh, go ahead, girl. Sorry, I wasn't paying attention. You gonna do it for a real one? One time? What you gonna do for a real one? I thought you was about to do something for a real one.
What is that? Oh, it's a slide off the thing.
Monday.
About information for you. Like food, something, chicken, rice, fish.
Oh, okay.
Just cook right there, sit down. Very good.
Okay.
And hardly activity to activity.
All right, we're good. We don't want to do that.
You like four-wheel anything?
I'm getting ready to go.
Where?
Tired.
Let's been four-wheel?
Huh?
Been four-wheel?
No.
Hey, that's a good place to be.
Hold on. puppy.
You got something to buy? Put a whole bunch of liquor in it. Huh? No español.
So guess what? We back at another restaurant outlooking the beach. Isn't it so cute, y'all? It is cute.
Okay, you see.
2 hours later.
Alright, y'all. We had a full freaking day. Like, we're like so exhausted. But I know I was closing out the vlog before, but I'm really closing out the vlog. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that little bell. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And thank you to all the new watchers, to all the new subscribers. I appreciate you. I'm gonna have more content coming for you. Love you guys.